In this part, I'll show you how to use the restore to point-in-time feature in RDS. This feature enables you to restore the data to any time point within the retention period after the earliest full backup. So to use this feature, you need to go to the backup and restorations page in a DB instance and click restore to point-in-time. And in this page, you can select the date, the time range, and time point to select the specific time point when you want to restore to. And it provides 3 restoration methods: restore to a new instance, restore to original instance, or restore to existing database. So this one, the first choice will create a new database instance. So if you choose this and click OK, then it will guide you to the create a new instance page. So you need to configure all the settings and purchase this new DB instance. And if you choose to restore to original, then you just need to check the box and click next, and it will recover to the current database to the selected time point. And if you click restore to existing, then if you have other database instance created, then you will find them in the below list. And then you just need to select the other DB instance and click next. And there are a few things to pay attention to. So first, if you choose to restore to original or existing database instance, then this operation will override data on it and cause the DB instance to be unavailable during the restoration period. And to restore backup data to an existing database instance, the selected database instance must use the same DB engine and the same or later version than the original database instance.